One of our special panels for this year's seminar will be addressing key issues in lifestyle analysis and the use of technology. Because as we all know, the importance of an accurate financial affidavit, how to complete them, and what are the responsibilities of the parties. And to help people get to that point, one is to change the way we use technology to prepare these. And Shiv will be addressing that.
We are a technology-enabled company, so our expertise is in gathering and categorizing and doing quality assurance and reporting on data in the most cost-effective manner and most efficient manner. Oftentimes, an accounting package like Quicken might be used for it, but that's really an accounting package. What we have is a proprietary software that makes the process efficient, and the iterations, the data doesn't come all together. It comes in dribs and drabs. And each time there's an iteration, it needs to be very quickly and efficiently done with and produce new reports very quickly. Instead of using just an accounting package, we actually use our underlying database in our software that can take small or very large amounts of data and produce results in Excel that make it really easy for our users to be able to do analysis from there and ad hoc reporting.
And from a legal perspective, Janet and Martin?
We all know what financial affidavits mean to the court. And it's a tool that the court uses to get to their bottom line for both maintenance, child support, or also for property. And don't you want to be on the right side of that with the judge? Do you want to be the one with the fairy tale or the wish list? You know, if you're the side, am I right, Martin, that's giving the court the proper information, the correct information, the one that they can rely on so they don't have to dig through those thousands of pages? Don't you want to be that side of the case as opposed to the side of the case that's giving them I need $50,000 for vacations?
Absolutely right, Janet. This is really an excellent program for both young and experienced attorneys alike. A pivotal legal question that is relevant to everyone's practice, I believe, is what are the specific and legal ramifications and responsibilities under the statute of the party and the attorney, respectively, when it comes to submitting a financial affidavit under penalties of perjury. And I'm sure this seminar will explore what Section 501 actually provides for in respect to financial affidavits and penalties for an inaccurate affidavit, as well as the perspective from the bench as to how they treat affidavits, as affidavits can be an effective tool for settlement, compromise for both the court and attorneys alike.
This panel will be useful for not only the young family lawyer, but also for the seasoned veteran to go into issues that will be key to producing proper financial affidavits as well as marital balance sheets. So we look forward to all of you attending this year's seminar and our panel on key issues of lifestyle analysis and the use of technology.